Hi friends, here in this video we are going to know the projections of plane surfaces. The problem is like this. The given problem is on regular hexagonal lamina. Let us read the problem. A regular hexagonal lamina of side 25 mm is lying in such a way that one of its corners on HP, while the corner opposite to the corner on which it rests is on VP. If the lamina makes 60 degree to HP, draw the projections of the lamina. Let us find out the details of the first portion, second portion and third portion. Okay, a given lamina is a hexagonal lamina of side 25 mm. Okay, see, for first portion we need to find out a plane of projection and how does it rest on that plane. Okay, see, lying in such a way that one of its corners on HP, the plane of projection is a HP. How does it rest on HP? One of its corner resting on corner. Okay, then for second portion, what are the given? While the corner opposite to the corner, okay, here given, if the lamina makes 60 degree to HP, means the surface of the lamina makes 60 degree to HP, that is theta is equal to 60 degree. This is the details of the second portion. Then for third portion, here given, the corner opposite to the corner on which it rests is on VP, that is nothing but the corner opposite, means opposite corner touches the x1. See, okay, later I will explain these things. Okay, see, start with the first portion. Okay, first draw the thin horizontal line, name it as x, y, above the xy line vertical plane, below the xy line horizontal plane. Okay, see, for first position HP is there. I want to draw the top view. Okay, resting on corner. Okay, my left side I am taking the corner left side. Okay, this is the A is the resting corner. Okay, see, just you watch the previous video how to construct the hexagon resting on corner. Okay, refer the previous video. Okay, then after drawing the hexagon as a top view resting on corner, then I want to draw the front view on the xy line. Project all the points of the top view upward to meet the xy line. By joining these points we will obtain the front view on the xy line. Okay, just I will join all the points on this. Okay, now this is the front view. Here is the observer. Mark the points of the front view. A dash, B is visible, F coincide with B, that is within bracket, B dash bracket F dash. Next C is visible, E coincide with C, C dash bracket E dash, then D dash. Okay, for second portion directly theta is given. You take 60 degree, mark resting point here. Which is the resting point here? A dash is the resting point, mark it A dash. Okay, on this point. Okay, keep the protractor on point A dash, take 60 degree. Okay, draw the 60 degree line. This angle is 60 degree. Okay, redraw this front view on this 60 degree line without changing any dimension. Measure with the help of compass. I want to redraw this front view. Okay, then after I name these points as B dash, F dash, and this point is C dash, E dash, and this point is the D dash. Okay, now I want to draw the top view, projecting all the points of the top view horizontally and project all the points of the front view vertically. Horizontal projector and vertical projector intersecting. Mark intersection point. By joining those we will get the top view. Okay, draw horizontal projector from the top view. Okay, top view. See, on this horizontal line F and E are there. Draw vertical line from F. Where is F? F is here. F, this point is F, and E. Where is E? E is here. This point is E. Okay. Next, draw the horizontal line from this top view. A and D, two lines are there. A and D. Okay. Here is A vertical line. This point is the A, and D vertical line. And this point is the D. Then draw the horizontal line from previous top view, and on this horizontal line 2 points are B and C. Draw vertical line from B on here. This point is B, okay, up to here B. Then vertical line from C. By join all the points we will obtain the top view. See, this is the top view, and I want to make it dark, this front view. This is the front view. Okay, these are the second set of views. Okay, for third position, see, for details of third position is corner opposite to the corner on which it rests is on VP. See, is on VP, is in VP, is in HP and VP, is touches VP and HP. The meaning should be same. That is nothing but touches XY line. Okay, here which corner touches the XY line? The corner opposite to the corner on which it is, means the corner D opposite to the corner A on which the lamina rests. That is nothing but D touches the XY line. That is nothing but I want to redraw second top view. In this, D touches the XY line. Corner opposite to the corner on which the lamina rests. That is D touches the XY line. Mark D here anywhere on XY line. Mark D. I want to redraw this top view. The condition is the corner D touches the XY line. Okay, same. Enclose this with box. Enclose this with box. Okay, write it. This is 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. Okay, just I will draw this rectangle A 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Mark it here. 4 and 1, not 4 and 3. 1 second. 3. How to rotate? Here like this. Okay, 3 is coming this side. 3 and 4. Okay, same length is there. 4. Okay, 3 and 4. Now perpendicular here. These lines are perpendicular, and so I will mark it. This is the 3 and this is the 4. 1, 4 line is perpendicular at 4 here, and 2, 3 line is perpendicular to at 4, 3 line at 3. Okay, see, 1, 4 line is perpendicular to 3, 4 line at 4, and 2, 3 line is perpendicular to 4, 3 line at 3. Means I want to draw perpendicular line here. Then here also I want perpendicular line. Okay, draw. Okay, now I want to mark the 1 and 4 to 1 and 3 to 2, same distance. Okay, I think both are same distance. I join these two. 1 2 3 4. Okay, in between points I will mark it. Draw vertical line, then you will get this point as a. Okay, similarly then I want to mark it. See C on 2 3 line, measure distance C from to C. Okay na, then B also on same 2 3 line, measure distance how much is there, B. Okay, similarly E on 1 4 line, measure 1 to E, how much is 1 to E, then F also on same. Okay, F, A B C D E F. Okay, now I mark all the points, just to join all the points. Okay, this is the third top view. Now how to draw this front view? Same, project all the points of this top view upward direction and all the points of the previous front view horizontally. These are intersecting, mark intersection point. By joining them you will get the required front view. Okay, see first a horizontal line and a vertical line here. This point is the A dash, and on this horizontal line A and F 2 points are there. A and F 2 points are there. See on this horizontal line. B and F, sorry, B and F. This is the F. Okay, now F is here, F dash, and B, draw the vertical line. This point is the B dash. Okay, now on this horizontal line, C and E. Okay, C, this point is the C dash and this point is the E dash. Now I want to draw the vertical line here. Then from horizontal, draw the horizontal line from D dash. This point is the D dash. Join all the points, we will obtain the front view. Okay, see, this is the required front view. Thank you.